Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TrekXplorers.com. This time we bring you a legendary city from Gujarat known as City of Resilience, Bhuj. Bhuj is the city of lot of history depicting via historical buildings and is a hub of art and craft. So let's know what we have got to see in Bhuj. The first place is Prag Mahal Palace. This palace was built by Maharao Shri Pragmal Ji II in 1865. When you get entry inside the palace, you will get to see the beautiful Darbar Hall. This is a big hall with several wall paintings, hangings, chandeliers, antique furniture and big dining table. This hall gives the best classic royal look with high ceiling and all the detailed descriptions over it. There are several other furniture displayed in all the halls. There is an inside room with antique furniture, weapons on display. This room was used in shooting of famous Bollywood movie Lagan. The most significant point of Prag Mahal Palace is Big Ben Tower. That is a 150 feet high clock tower, and this tower is visible from all parts of Bhuj. One has to climb around 60 steps on a spiral narrow staircase to reach the top. There from the top one can get a clear view of surrounding areas of Bhuj town. Second is Aina Mahal Palace. This mahal was constructed by Rao Lakpati Ji in 18th century. The mahal complex consists of various rooms like music room, also known as Fuvara Mahal, Hall of Mirrors, also known as Aina Mahal, Diamond Chamber, also known as Hira Mahal, and an office room known as Darbar Hall. The pieces of mirrors fixed on intricate patterns integrated the luminosity of the surfaces, increasing the brilliance of ambient light, which was allowed within the interiors to develop a soothing effect. These rooms of Mahal complex are the example of exquisite craftsmanship adorning the traditional interior space. Then comes the most attractive part of the Mahal, that is reverse glass paintings. Check out some of the reverse glass paintings. Isn't it a magnificent piece of work? There is an antique clock and weighing machine at display in one of the rooms. Likewise, there is a huge collection of weapons from 18th century are displayed in the room. And in continuation to this, there is also a huge collection of antique coins of Gujarat and are displayed as coins of Kutch. And in the end, there are photographs at display giving information about Bhuj with some legal documents at display along with some pictures of royal families and the last ruler of Bhuj, that is Maharao Madan Singh Ji. Now coming to the important fact about Bhuj. 2 decades ago, on 26 January 2001, India experienced a most powerful earthquake in half a century. And that earthquake is also known as Bhuj earthquake because it left Bhuj devastated. Check out the aftermath of the quake on Prag Mahal Palace and Aina Mahal Palace. One can see the extensive damage due to the quake at the upper levels from an external inspection of the building. Some part of the palace shattered in the quake. And in Aina Mahal Palace, many priceless paintings on glass fell from the walls and were irretrievably damaged. There is an irreparable damage caused in many parts of the complex. Now coming to the famous Swaminarayan Temple of Bhuj. It is the main attraction for devotees. This beautiful temple is built with white marble stone. There are carved pillars and well-decorated ceilings. The whole temple is filled with carving and artwork. So friends, how do you find the structures of palaces and temple of Bhuj? Do Do comment your reply, and for more detailed information about Bhuj, go to our link in the description box. We'll come with more places from Bhuj in our next video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.